So this is going to be for Robert and Janet. This is where the existing coil is right here, and you can see the existing insulation that they had as well as the existing line set. The line set runs straight up through here, guys, all the way up through the attic, shoots over to the right. You can see exactly where it comes in right there on the insulation. So that's what we're looking to use and reuse. We're not going to touch anything of the line set on this side except braze the lines to the new coil. Of course, we're going to want to flush everything out and make sure all the R22's out of the system and put R410A in it. Now, as far as the existing coil goes, we're actually going to raise this entire setup up. So this filter is going to be basically right about here. The cold air return, you guys can see, it's right up here, and you have plenty of airflow coming down on this guy. I believe it was 17.5 by close to 20 on this way, so it's got plenty of air, and it's got 2 sections of cold air return coming into this. So we're gonna have to build either transition from the AC and the filter, or I'm sorry, we're gonna have to build a transition from this to the filter to the furnace right here, right? And then the AC coil is gonna be basically right about here on that. The thing is, gas is going to be a little bit trickier depending on where the coil sits. It has straight black iron right all the way across from here, with the gas shutoff being right there, and then it has flex just coming right off of the existing gas valve. So we are going to have to remove all of that and basically move when we level out the system, we're going to have to redo that gas line in. And it's probably be best if you guys just cap it, put on a new shutoff, gas shut off, and then go ahead and put flex to it. I think that'll be the simplest way to do it. We also are going to have to redo the exhaust pipe as well as the drainage on this guy because the whole entire furnace is going to be lifted up. And the same thing with the coil. So everything's going to be lifted up quite a bit to right about here with the filter. Furnace is going to sit about here to give us plenty of space so we can put the coil basically right here. That's what we're looking to do here, so I can get better airflow across the board and work properly, and that way he can access the coil, because this one is just put inside of the ductwork and it's never worked. So that's what we're looking to do for him here on the inside, guys, and we're using their existing thermostat. They already have a Wi-Fi 1 that they love. We're not touching that at all. It's just going to be quite a bit of work on the inside and then on the outside of the house. So this is everything. I'm going to make sure that I still get you guys another set of line set just in case this one has any issues at all. But that's everything that we're looking at doing here. And yeah, that's the full scope of things, guys.